Today we're going to look at the within word pattern, sort number 22. This sort is looking at the short and long I. And with that long I, we have three spelling patterns: our silent or magic E, a silent GH, and the letter Y. Let's take a quick read through our word list here before we get started. Starting in the first column: might, white, twice, bright, fight, sight, live, shy, to the middle, quick, high, quite, sky, quiz, fine, right, why, might, cry, quit, I, try, and sigh. Now, a couple of things for us to be aware of today. The first is we have two words that sound the same with different spellings and different meanings. The first here being right, right as in correct, R-I-G-H-T, and right in terms of writing something. If you write with a pencil, it's that W-R-I-T-E. Now, a couple of oddballs. The first one here can be read live or live. And so it's spelled the same, but sounds different and means different. And then the word I, E-Y-E, just gives us the long I sound, and that's talking about your eye in terms of your vision or your sight. Your eyes allow you to see. A few spelling patterns here across the top. We'll just review those quickly. The first column here, we have the short I, a consonant, vowel, consonant. Now the short I is always spelt with that single vowel, but the long I can be spelt a few different ways. You can see here we have that magic E or silent E. So two vowels separated by a consonant. The E is silent, but it makes the I say its name. Next, we have IGH. In this case, the GH is silent, but it makes our I the long sound. And then in an open syllable, or when the Y comes at the end of a word, that will give us that long I sound as well. Let's sort through these here. Now, I know the tendency is to just look at the spelling pattern and sort them, but really make sure you're focused on the spelling pattern for each of those words, as most of these will have the long I sound, and we really need to focus on the different spellings there. Okay, first one here being might, long I, I-G-H. Y, this is open syllable. There's no consonant at the end here, and so that Y gives us the I sound, and in this case acts as our vowel. So our vowels A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. In this case, Y acts as the vowel in this word. White, we have I consonant silent E. High, I silent GH in that one there. Night, night, long I, looking at the IGH. Twice, we have the magic E. Now, quite, let's take a second on this one here really quick. With our Q, the U actually acts as a consonant. So I know it looks like we have some conflicting spelling patterns here with a vowel pair and the magic E on the end. But again, the QU acts as a consonant. And so then we're looking at the ITE for the long I sound. Cry, ending in a Y, gives us the I sound. Bright, ite, gives us the silent GH. Sky, ending in Y. And again, you can see all these ending in Y words. The Y is acting as the vowel there. Quit, again, looks like a vowel pair, but because the U and the Q are matched together there, they act as a consonant, not a vowel. Fight, IGH. Quiz, so this is the same as quit. QU acting as the consonant. I. Now this was our oddball because it just gives us the long I sound. Up next is sight, as in our sense of sight. Fine, fine, silent E. Try, ending in Y. Y is the vowel or acting as the vowel. Now this one, live or live. If we read it as live, it's the magic E. If we read it as live, it is an oddball. We have right, magic E there. Sigh, we have that GH. Shy, Y acting as the vowel at the end of the word. Right, oh, we're going to have to stack some of these up here. We have a ton of IGH words. And then finally, we have quick. And again, the QU acting as the consonant. I is the short I, and then CK at the end. So that one gives us quick. And that is it for your sort today.